Hey guys, here's the video for today's lesson. Remember, we're in the middle of a three-part series. We spent the first day trying to figure out the rate of change, whether the data was given to us as a graph or in a word problem, an equation, or a table of values. Now we're going to find the y-intercept, which is also known as the b. And all you're looking for is follow the line to where it crosses the y-axis and put that number, crosses at 5, so that's your b. Whoops, wrong way. Okay, this graph. Okay, second graph on the notes, I'm following this down. Again, this line also crosses on the 5. My third graph, following the line down, it crosses the y-axis at 10. That's my y-intercept. And this last graph crosses at 50. So just look where the line crosses the y-axis. Alright, a word problem. A word problem, the b is something in the words that happens one time, or it's telling you that, you started out at that value. So it says a tree started out at 3 feet tall. Okay, started out 3 feet tall. So my b is 3. Bob was 100 miles from home. It doesn't say the word started, but that's essentially what it means. He's 100 miles from home, and then he starts riding his bike to get home. So 100. A bowl started out with 300 M&Ms in it. Started out 300. And our last one. A gym charges a $50 application fee and $35 a month. Well, an application fee is something you only pay one time. So that means my b, that means my b is 50. All right, if we already have an equation. Remember mx plus b. The b is our y-intercept. So our b for this one is 5. Our b for this one is negative 8. 53. Negative 8. Okay. In a chart, the b is the y-intercept, and it's the number that's across from 0. So in our first chart, here's 0. The number that across from it is 3. In our second chart, the number across from 0 is 10. Now our third chart is a little harder. Our third chart is not counting by ones, and I don't see 0 in it. Let me erase this. So I have to add rows. Actually, I'm going to come back to this one. Let's go to this one first. Okay. Normally we'd say what's across from 0. Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's no 0 in this chart. But if I continued the pattern, 0 would be just the next row above 1. If I continued this pattern of counting by 12s, 15 take away 12 would be 3. So even though it's not in the chart, we can invent the row that had 0 in it. We just have to continue the pattern upwards. Okay, same thing here. Okay, 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay, I don't see a 0. But if we continue the pattern up, counting by 3s, 0 would just come before 3. This side's counting by 90s, So this would also be a 0. Let's go back to this hard one. Okay. If I count backwards in this chart's counting by 4. So 2 counting backwards by 4. Well, gosh, that would mean the level above is -2. And this side would be 72. Well, what I really want is 0. Could we agree that 0 would be halfway between -2 and 2? Okay, then what's halfway between 72 and 60? So this counts by 12s. Half of 12 would be 6. So 60 to 66. Okay, and that's our video. I'll see you next time.